welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wished for a cookware set that blends professional performance with everyday comfort, the OXO Mira tri-ply 10-piece cookware set might just be your kitchen's new best friend. From even heat distribution to sleek design and easy cleaning, OXO has packed decades of cooking innovation into this single set. So, in this video, we'll dive into standout features that make the Mira tri-ply cookware set a true chef's companion. Let's get started. Tri-ply construction. Each piece is crafted with an aluminum core sandwiched between two layers of stainless steel. This tri-ply build ensures fast, consistent heating across the entire cooking surface, no hot spots, no uneven cooking. It's ideal for searing, sautéing, simmering, and everything in between. Brushed stainless steel finish. The brushed stainless steel exterior not only gives these pots and pans a professional, timeless look, it's also durable and resistant to discoloration. Whether you're using gas, electric, or induction, this finish holds up beautifully while adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Comfortable stay cool handles. OXO is known for comfort, and that tradition continues here. Each handle is designed to stay cool to the touch, even during long cooking sessions. The ergonomic, contoured design provides a secure grip that feels balanced in your hand, making cooking feel effortless and safe. Precision pouring edges. No more messy drips. Every pot and pan features precision pouring edges for clean, controlled pouring. That might is a small detail that makes a big difference whether you're pouring soups, sauces, or reductions. Just pop everything into the dishwasher for hassle-free cleanup. Induction compatible. No matter what type of cooktop you use, OXO Mira's got you covered. The tri-ply stainless steel base is fully induction compatible, delivering reliable heat performance across all cooking surfaces: induction, gas, electric, and ceramic alike. Complete 10-piece versatile set. The OXO Mira set includes 2 fry pans, 8-inch and 10-inch, 2 saucepans with lids, 1 sauté pan with lid, and 1 stockpot with lid. That's everything you need to handle everyday meals or special feasts, from simple omelets to hearty stews, all in one premium set. The OXO Mira tri-ply 10-piece cookware set isn't just about looking good, it's built for performance, comfort, and long-lasting durability. With precise control, even heating, and beautiful craftsmanship, it's the kind of cookware you'll use and love for years. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.